Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Google Cloud account without credit card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're looking to create a Google Cloud account without a credit card, this guide will walk you through the process. First, you need to have a regular Google account, even if you don't yet have a Google Cloud account. Go to cloud.google.com and you'll see your regular Google account signed in. Now, to begin the process, click on the Get Started for Free button. This will take you to a setup page where you'll be asked to select your country. After selecting your country, click Agree and Continue. Next, you'll see the free trial page. Google Cloud offers a free trial period that allows you to use services without being charged. However, they typically ask for a payment method to activate the free trial. If you don't have a credit card, don't worry. In many cases, you can use a regular debit card, even one without a balance, since no charges will be made during the free trial period. Alternatively, depending on your country, you may be able to use demo or test payment methods. For example, if you select United States as your country, you can search online for example or test credit card numbers, often used for sandbox environments. These numbers may sometimes be accepted for trial setup. Simply enter the test card details in the payment section and click the Start Free button. Once completed, your Google Cloud subscription will begin, and you can access the platform during the trial period without incurring any charges. Just make sure not to exceed the trial limits to avoid any billing later on. So that's basically how you can create Google Cloud account without credit card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.